Hello guys, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. I would like to go and introduce you to my membership perks. And I assure you guys that once you purchase it, it's gonna be worth it. And I promise you, I will do the best I can that you guys satisfied what is in my membership. The first membership is my Pinay Pai Level 1. I call that Roots. You can access emojis, the badges to use in your comments, and then I'm gonna go and play your videos 10 hours for two times a week. That costs you $3.99. The second one is the Pinay Pai Level 2. I call that a branch. You guys can access the emojis and the badges to use your comments, and then I'm gonna go and play your videos 10 hours for 3 weeks, and it will cost you $6.99. The third one, guys, is the Pinay Pai Level 3, which is, we call that the leaves. I'm gonna go and flex and promote your activities, shout out you in the live stream, and I'm gonna go and play your video for 20 hours 3 times a week, and which will cost you $9.99. And the last but not the least, guys, is the Pinay Pai Level 4, which is the fruits or the banana. I'm gonna go and shout out you to my every live streaming and access emojis and badges and flex and promote your activities. And I'm gonna go and play your videos for 20 hours 4 times a week, and it's gonna cost you $19.99. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoy and be the member and be a part of Pinay Pai team so that you can avail all those perks, and promise guys, I won't let you down. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome to my Pinay Pai membership, and good luck to each and every one. And once again, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. Thank you, take care, and God bless you all. Thank you. Mwah.